Hello everyone, it is AAM Puma, and I'm gonna try to put these handcuffs in front of me. And don't worry, these are fake handcuffs. I got these from Dave & Buster's. Not sponsored, by the way. Alright. Let me just put the handcuffs behind my back. And if you hear raining outside, it is raining where I'm at. Gonna make it very tight. Alright. Oh my god, that hurts. Alright, as you can see, this isn't... Okay, there we go. So now, if you ever find that you're handcuffed, just do this simple thing. So, basically, you just gotta... Okay. Now, it might be hard, but you'll eventually get it. Wow. Very painful. And you might also feel pain, but that'll be fine. Whew. Okay. Now that I got the handcuffs like that, now you gotta put your arm like that and then put underneath your foot. So like, oh Jesus. Ow. Obviously, man, look at that. Man, look at those. Wow. But yeah, wow. So yeah, that was just a little video to show how to get the handcuffs in front of you. Obviously, it does hurt and may take a while, but you know, for sheer will and determination, you will eventually get it. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and make sure to turn on notifications so you know whenever I post a video. And I will see you guys, Puma.